Hello there, it's Amber, and I'm here to tell you about all the amazing things that are happening at Hannah's Sons and Daughters International Intercessory Prayer Ministry and Miracle Monday nights. For the past 6 months, we have had an amazing move of God with our very special guest, Apostle W.F. Hughes of Power and Authority Tabernacle, and it all came to an amazing end this past Monday. We finished strong with a purification ceremony with our very own CEO and founder, Prophetess Cleveland. Now, if you haven't been able to make it out to this move of God, we're not done. For the last 23 years, Prophetess Cleveland has had a powerful prayer ministry, and we are going to continue going forth towards the throne of grace every Monday night at 7:15. So come have a look at what you can expect on Miracle Monday nights.
Tenacity, my God, a push, a thrust, so we can get